rolling. Here we are. New thing we're doing here called Team Talk. We're going to try to release one a week. I got Neil with me today. He's decided to stay and just hang out with me today.
I don't talk very much.
You can talk whenever we ask questions or whatever, and maybe give me a little couple fill-ins. That's about what I want from you. But anyway, this is going to be our new thing called Team Talk. Basically, what this is going to cover is everything marine and things that you want to know. So if you got questions, you comment below. We'll try to get you in on the next one. We're going to talk about new products. We're going to do some comparisons between boats, between motors, this, that, and the other, and see what happens. It's just going to be our opinions. You can like them, you can hate them, you can love them. You can give me thumbs up, thumbs down, you can give me a middle finger. I really don't care. It's just going to be fun. This is what we're going to do. We're going to have fun with this. This is Neil. This is Andy. This week, we're talking about the brand new PowerPole Charge. Don't know if you've heard about it. If you haven't, make sure you get to their website and take a look at it.
I don't know anything about it. You gotta tell me.
I've had the pamphlets. I just haven't shared them with you. Basically, what it is, it's an onboard charger. It's an onboard charger that does everything, and it has an app that goes with their Sea Monster app that you can find inside of here. Right in this vicinity, right in here. It's basically the Sea Monster app. For you Lowrance guys, of course, it links directly to your Lowrance units. And what this system does, is it takes any kind of battery you can think of, right up to lithium batteries, and it's an onboard charger to where you can plug it in. It's also a run charger, so when the engine's running, it'll charge your batteries. Also, it's a jump pack, all in one. Jump pack, plug-in charger, run charger, all in one. The nice thing about it, if you go on and look at it, it talks about managing your batteries, okay? You can manage how your charge unit is putting into your batteries. So when you download the app or you get it on your Lowrance unit, it tells you where, like here it says you got 11.6 volts, 11.7, 11.6. When you're on the run, you can delegate so much voltage to each one. So if you got a battery that's going down, you can pound the voltage into that while you're on the run to try to bring everybody back up to normal. Okay, so you'll be able to, and then when you go to crank, it'll tell you how to do that also. You can watch your battery voltage in your main power battery just come back up to where you can start it again. So it utilizes all the sources of everything to jump pack. Unbelievable product. Unbelievable product. Make sure you get over to their website, take a look at it. If you want to stop down, I got plenty of these. If you want to take a look at it, it's not cheap. That's all I can say. I think it retails for like $1,200. I don't know exactly offhand. That's my fault, but I think it's around $1,200. But it's worth every penny because you're never out of the game. You're never out of the game. I mean, your batteries are never going to be dead in your boat for trolling, which is huge, especially around here in the spring with the current we get. And if you go to crank and fire up and you got nothing, you just go back, hit jump, and you're ready to go. And I'm pretty sure you can do it right off your phone. You can command it to do it right. I know you can. You can command it to do it right off your phone. So you can go right to jump pack on your phone. It talks to it. It turns it into jump pack mode. And you just sit there, watch it, and then all of a sudden, boom, fire up, ready to go back on plane. So you're never out of the game. You're never dead in the water, which is huge. Literally dead in the water. So it's a big product for this year. I think it's going to go over unbelievable. I know they've been working on it for years. I got the original one of these probably 2 or 3 years ago. I heard about it. I was just supposed to stay quiet about it, but so it's huge. It's huge. PowerPole's got more coming too, and I just can't say, but there's going to be more of these with PowerPole. You got anything?
Yeah, it's not that big either.
No, it's honestly, in comparison, I would say like precision size, like Minn Kota precision charger size, small. It's not that big. It's going to fit anywhere that you want it to.
Yeah, it's not very big. About 10 inches long, 8 inches wide. Yep. Almost 3 inches
thick.
I mean, that's pretty slick.
And it does all of that.
Doesn't weigh that much.
Charges 12, 24, 36. It'll charge any style of battery. Any style of battery. From flooded all the way up to lithiums. So for you guys that are running lithiums, there's your charger, your jump pack, all in one. You don't got to deal with 2 chargers anymore. You don't got to deal with any of that stuff. So it's a really good product, and it's going to go over well. I know a lot of the pros have been talking about them, but I would definitely personally go over to PowerPole and start to look at it, or stop down here at Team and pick up a pamphlet. I'll get you one, get you a price, and away you'll go. Yeah, so that's about what we're here to talk about today when it comes to products, is that.
But some cool safety features. I mean, it will detect like low voltage or over voltage protection. So
So
you
it
don't
goes
have to
into
worry-
protection, so
Yeah.
you can't blow things up essentially. It's
Yeah,
not
so-
going to melt down.
Hopefully batteries don't go
Swell up like a
yeah,
marshmallow on a campfire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Short circuit protection.
I could go for a marshmallow.
I go for a s'more.
It's really good. Right?
Temperature sensors based on battery chemistry, so that's pretty sweet. So if it gets too hot, it's gonna shut right off. Yeah, that's
do you
pretty,
like your s'mores gooey, or do you like them kind of?
I like them gooey and a little marshmallow burner.
Do you ever take a marshmallow and get it so hot, then you just take the outside off and eat the outside, then
Yeah.
you do it again, so it's like 3 marshmallows. in
It's
one?
layers.
Yeah, it's like
Burnt layer,
right.
eat. Burnt layer, eat.
Right.
Then it gets down a little gooey
Yeah,
part.
yeah.
Throw it on a piece of chocolate.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Unbelievable. I
So-
think we should have a campfire tonight.
This is epic, people. Epic.
Yeah, it's
This is
definitely
gonna be
definitely a game changer.
big game changer for those guys that really
Especially
like
you guys that are running spot lock now, because they're
Yep.
burning up batteries. I mean, you're using your batteries more. You're using more voltage. Now you got a way to charge them. I mean, definitely the way to go. If you were playing bingo, what would be the winning number? Do you think? If you had to pick a box, any box.
Any box?
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna go with the one right in the middle. B. No, it's not B. It would be N46. Because it's in the middle.
Winner.
I won.
Winner. I'm gonna go with 35 because that's my old number. Oh, I'm a winner too. Great day.
We cheated.
Yeah, but that's what we got today. So definitely comment below. Give us some ideas. Ask some questions. Do whatever you think you want to do. Like I said, thumbs up, thumbs down, middle finger. We don't care. But that right there is badass. Definitely go check out PowerPole and look at their charge. If you guys got any questions about old products, new products, anything you want us to review, go ahead and start doing your little twinkle toed typing and type below and hook us up. We'll definitely talk about it. We're not scared. We'll tell you if it's garbage or good, in our opinion. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.